G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup, another warehouse edition, hopefully our last edition before we move into our new bar here at the HQ on the Gold Coast. Today we are making the very popular, in this office anyway, Love Potion by Dstill. So it's a little bit of a twist on the Love Potion cocktail, but we'll hook in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll be updated every week when we release these new cocktail videos. So with that said, let's get started. So the first thing we'll do is grab some ice, just a handful, into our blender, about 50 grams of blackcurrant. Gonna strain in some fresh lime. Perfect. 100 mils of blackcurrant. Alrighty, I'm going to blend that up, just where the music comes in. Alrighty, now we're just going to layer this into the martini glass about halfway. Right, I'm going to grab some champagne. Boom. And garnish with a lime wedge. There you have the Love Potion by Dstill. Enjoy.